Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be making lamb chops and showing you how to make them juicy and delicious. You will need some butter, olive oil, garlic, thyme, and rosemary. My secret recipe is coming up. Stay tuned. This is butter, and then I'm going to add some chopped up thyme, rosemary, and garlic. So we'll just let that saute in there a little bit. Let the thyme and rosemary soften up, and then we'll add garlic at the end, and we'll use this to baste our lamb chops. Now I have this on low heat. Let that sit for a second. Now in my cast iron skillet I have olive oil, and then I've also I'm letting this butter melt here, and I'm using the butter just for flavor. I have this about, it's a little bit more oil than covers the pan. So let that melt. I'm just going to salt and pepper my chops just a little bit. Those are a beautiful color. Flip those babies over. And repeat, a little salt and pepper, just a little salt, pepper. Okay, now we'll add our garlic to our basting butter. And then we're going to put some of this rosemary right in our pan. And then we'll let this heat up for a few minutes, and then about 4 or 5 minutes we'll be ready to throw the lamb chops into our cast iron skillet. So I'll see you in a few. Now come in close. Before we do that, I'm just going to add some minced garlic here to our basting butter. And that has been sitting on low for a little bit. I'm going to add a little more garlic over here. Rosemary smells so nice. Garlic in there. We have our butter and our olive oil. Now we're going to throw these in. We're going to let these cook for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. So right now I have this heat on medium. I'm going to turn it up just a notch. Just because our heat, we're going to lose a little heat when we add these. So let those set a minute, and then I'm going to pour my basting butter in this bowl here. So after our 5 minutes, we'll flip these over and baste. So I'll see you in 5. Looking and smelling good already. So I'm going to turn these on the fat side just for a moment. Let some of that fat cook down. Guys, you're going to love this. Try to get some of that fat. That one looks okay actually. Okay, just let these sit for a minute, and then after it cooks on the fat side, we're going to flip them over on the other side and then baste. Let's let some of that fat cook down for a moment. We are just about done, y'all. This probably don't even need 5 minutes. going to take our basting butter here with our rosemary, thyme, and garlic. Yeah. All right. Give these a couple more minutes and then we're almost done, guys. All right, guys, it's been a couple minutes. So these are just about ready to come out. Flip these one last time. We even got some nice grill marks on those. Yeah, look at that. Nice grill marks. Then we'll baste. I'm telling you, these are so flavorful, so juicy. We'll give that one more minute and then we'll take them out. All right, these are ready to come out of the pan and we're gonna let these rest for about 5 to 8 minutes, okay? So come close, look how beautiful those look. Look at that. Got butter fingers, y'all. And I'm telling you, this butter really does it. It makes them so much more flavorful. All right, so we'll let those rest for a few. See you in a minute. Now I did hit these with a little salt and pepper just to bring all of the flavors together. But look how nice. Here's our tzatziki sauce. Lamb chops looking juicy and tender and just scrumptious. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you enjoy this with your Easter dinner or whatever dinner you want to try it with. I really hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell. And I'll see you next time.